Let's now answer this final part of the question. It says Bira can skate over any of the tracks, including the rough tracks. He begins skating at ramp X and will complete a Hamiltonian cycle. In how many ways could this be done? All right, so if we're dealing with a Hamiltonian cycle, well, remember Hamilton vertices. So we have to hit every vertex once. And we're dealing with a Hamiltonian cycle, not a Hamiltonian path. So that means what we're dealing with here is we have to start and end at the same place because it's a Hamiltonian cycle. Okay, so with all that being said, let's see what it's going to be. So I've been told that I'm starting at X, and now I need to hit each vertex without going over any of the same edges. And I can't hit a vertex twice either. All right, so I can go here, 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 and I need to go back to where I started. So just like that, there's our first answer. So I'm going to have to zoom out here. So I started at X, I ended at X. My answer is going to be X, Y, T, U, V, sorry, not V, U, Z, V, W, and X. Now, here's the important thing. What you also need to realize is that I can also go backwards, can't I? The fact that I'm starting and ending at the same place means I could have also gone this way. And this would represent a different pathway. So I can take this and the reverse of it. That would be another one, and reverse. Okay, let's now rub it out and think if there's another way to do it. Let me grab another color. What if I came here and I went this way, but now I went through that rough patch and I came here, here, and here. This would represent another way of doing it. And again, I can take the reverse as that as well. So if I come here, now, whoopsie daisy, I'm going to grab that color. I'm going to go, all right, this is going to be X, Y, T, U, V, Z, W, and X. And remember, we can take the reverse of that. So I could also go this way, and that would represent another way of doing it. So that means I could go this way, and the reverse of this way, and the reverse of this way. That means there are 4 ways. That is going to be my answer, 4 ways. Let's now come over here and read our examiner's report. 31% of people got this correct. 4 ways is our answer. Here are each of the different ways of doing it. Each Hamiltonian cycle can be reversed, and that's because you're starting and ending at the same point. You're only hitting each vertex only once. You're not repeating at the edges. That's why each of them can be reversed. Hopefully this has made sense and you feel comfortable with this question.